founder. I'm a member of the ethical hacking team. Just a member.
Oh, I'm Darlene. I'm just a member also. I'm just here to see what, I heard it's awesome.
You want me here
Get ready.
downstairs?
Huh?
All right. Yeah, you see me then downstairs.
Yeah.
All right. So this is Cyber Innovation Lab. Here's where we like to. So Cyber Innovation Lab. So this is a shared space between all of the students. So no matter what program you're in, you can always come in here, hang out. I like to call it the Cyber Innovation Lounge sometimes because we hang out in here. So it's a shared space between the Software Development Club, they use these computers, the Ethical Hacking Team, which uses these computers, and then Certification Club on here. And then we have TVs which show live hacks over there, that one as well, and then typically these two do, but we're doing demos on these, so they're not on it.
Right behind you guys, we have CTFs, our competitions and stuff. Do you guys know what CTFs are? By any chance?
I don't.
Yeah.
Well, it's capture the flag. Basically, those competitions are all capture the flag, where we're looking for any kind of code or instruction or password, and we move on to the next level through that. So it's kind of like a puzzle. It's kind of like a puzzle game, all typing and coding and stuff.
It's like a gamified challenge, which allows us to apply what we learned here in actual competition against other schools. So,
Yeah. So like upcoming competitions like Hack at the Harbor, there's RVA Sec in June, and then Patriot Hack in October, and we sign up for those. And here, that's what we gain the knowledge and learn to do this stuff over there. What else? Like DEF CON. Also, we also go to conventions and conferences. Like one of the largest ones is DEF CON. Have any of you guys ever heard of DEF CON?
Never.
DEF CON, all right. Well, I think at a time there's like over 60,000 hackers in Vegas, not just for DEF CON alone, but that's usually the largest. And there they'll show you how to, or inform you on how they hack satellites, cars, voting machines, anything. Like they'll have it there, and they'll talk about interesting pieces that they've discovered, like using emojis to like hack systems, and just really a lot of walking and a lot of interesting info. And I was there last year, and I think he's gonna go this year as well.
So every year the school will pay for.
Yeah, they'll pay for the trip for two people, students to go and actually partake. So
Before we get into our demonstration, does anyone here post photos on social media or like send messages or images or videos to friends or memes? So did you know that sending that photo, you can actually send hidden files within it?
Yeah, it's called stenography.
There you go. First one.
Wow, first person.
So that's what we're gonna be demonstrating today. Let's start.
Oh, you want to start? You want to do the entire thing? All right. So let me just get rid of all this stuff. Oops. This is our image. We're gonna actually put files within this image up here. Just a basic, regular old image of a whiteboard. And here, in the properties, we see that the size of it is 21.5 megabytes, which is just an important tidbit. Come on. So here, we're actually gonna input our image, and then we are gonna put this folder of files. Huh?
No, extract.
I'm not extract. Oh, whoops. Sorry. Here, I'll put the image,
This is an innocent looking image that you showed me.
and I'll put this, which has a couple of videos and pictures and files. I'm gonna show them up there. So I'm gonna insert that into this image with a password that we've agreed upon. And it is successfully hidden. Now I will send it to him. Your Teams. You guys know what Microsoft Teams is? Yeah. We're gonna use that as our medium.
So you can do like email, Facebook, or text.
Just send it again. It's gonna take a while. Alright, there you go.
Here's a file. So you can imagine me in like another country or something. So on a different computer. So I would download the image, and give it a moment. Here's the image right here. And if you take a look at it, does it look any different than how it was over there?
Look at the file size. Check the file size.
And then also, if you remember how big the file was over there, it's 21.5 megabytes.
Hasn't changed in
It's
size
already
either.
Same size over here. So if we use the same tool that he was using, Hide and Send, which is a free to download tool on the internet that anyone could use, we could import the image. So give them the image that he sent me, right there, and then an extraction directory, which is where we want to put the hidden files in, so we can actually look them. So we're gonna put it in this folder right here called extracted files, and then we're gonna extract it. Use the password that we both agreed on. Let it do
There
its
we go.
thing. And it's successfully extracted. And then if we look over here, we have a folder with all the files that he hid in that image. We have a sound file, video.
To learn ethical hacking, go to this website and click on lessons. And you'll see different lessons to learn different attacks in ethical hacking like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, command execution, clickjacking, and a lot more. So pick anyone and start learning.
And we also have some photos. So here's one of our school. And another cool photo here. And then the Word document.
And this was all hidden within that first file.
Alright. If you guys want to read that.
Oh, we didn't.
So obviously you can use it as like a cool way of hitting files over photo, but steganography was actually used during 9/11, which allowed terrorists to communicate through email covertly. So they would essentially send their plans, their blueprints on how they wanted to do what they did through email, through a hidden file like that.
And someone on the other end would extract that file and they'd get whatever message they wanted. When they wanted it. Do you guys have any questions for us?
What like do they teach like Kali?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
all these machines are Kali.
Okay.
That's Kali over there, and then this is Kali Purple.
Basically,
Our
now.
distribution. Any other questions?
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Properties.